Every time the cursor in Dibac has this shape, I will be able to select any entities of the project. To enable the selection mode, I have to exit any active drawing function. For example, if I am using the wall tool, I will just have to right-click to enable the selection mode. I can also use the escape button to exit the function and activate the selection mode. Once the selection tool is active, I can click on different entities of the project. Clicking on more elements will not deselect the other selections. It will just add more to the current selection. If I want to deselect any entity, I have to click on it holding the Shift key. If I want to deselect all the selections, I have to press the Escape key. With the selection tool active, click once to create a temporary box around the items or entities you want to select. When you click again, the items become selected. If you click and move the box to the right, you select only what's completely inside the window. If you click and move the box to the left, anything completely or partially inside the box becomes selected.